Okay, Mr. Kim, let's see what we're doing here. So you want to have threads on the inside. And I'm anticipating these are threads you're going to be adding, you're not going to be cutting. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So you have your sketch 5, which is right in the bottom, which is where it should be. Then you have your helix, but you want to make sure you can see the helix. That way we can actually select it as a kind of like a sketch item. Then you have your plane in here. That looks good, so you're going to put a profile on that plane. And if you look at this, which is our profile, probably should label that, and it doesn't look like it's fully defined, you have something like this. So this is what I would do. I don't think that's on that helix. So I think if you took that point in the helix over here, if we can carefully select that, maybe we need to select the helix first and then that point. There we go. It's a little tricky there, but you want to make sure it's pierced. Now let's do this. Let's take this circle and put it on this side rather than the other side. So what it is, I'm going to go ahead and trim this using a trim tool. And then when you get down to the bottom here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on these 2 points and make those merge. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that sweep feature along that helix using this profile. And conceivably, just to be safe, just make sure you don't have that zero geometry which might result when you have this boundary over here and you don't really have anything between that boundary. It's either a void or it's not a void. Sometimes it's better just to dig into your part a little bit. So let's just do a circle here. So let's go ahead and extend that over here a little bit and take this point and that point. Let's go ahead and merge those together. Okay, so now that's complete. We just have a circle there. So if we go ahead and rebuild, yep, there it is. Looks kind of hollow there, but I think that hollow is because of that feature. Not certain what you're doing with that feature, but if you got rid of that, now you have your threads on the inside. So the reason we did that, put that circle here, and that'll keep that from failing if it gets too close to that wall. So we put a circle that's already digging into the material over here, so we're assured that that won't fail. And we traveled that sweep right down the helix.